The O-ring seals the crankcap to the gearbox. Over time, the rubber O-ring can harden and crack. When this happens, oil can leak from the gearbox. Replacing the O-ring is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the crankcap from the gearbox. You'll notice the crankcap has a couple of holes in the top. I went through my grinder spanner wrenches and found one that fits. I'll use the wrench to remove the cap. Now I can remove the O-ring. Now I can install the new O-ring. And I'll finish up by screwing the cap onto the gearbox. And that's all it takes to install a new O-ring in your hammer. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.